This lesson is for some of my private students who are now currently learning to master the word get at a B2 or even C1 level. If you're interested in private lessons, you can sign up on my website or on italki. The links are in the description. Now, let's learn 10 useful expressions with get. Number 1, get to know. How did you feel about moving to a new city? At first it was hard, but once I started to get to know people there, I really loved it. Definition: learn what a person or thing is really like over time. It takes time to get to know someone properly. I got to know my neighbor after we started having coffee together. She was shy at first, but I really got to know her during the trip. Number 2, get the chance. Did you get to see the old town while you were away? No, sadly, I never got the chance. We were so busy. Definition: be given the opportunity to do something. If you get the chance to travel, take it. I never got the chance to say goodbye before she left. He finally got the chance to show what he could do. Number 3, get a hold of. Have you spoken to Mike about the problem? I've been trying to get a hold of him all day, but he's not answering. Definition: successfully reach or make contact with someone. I need to get a hold of the landlord about the broken heater. Can you get a hold of Sarah and ask her to come early? I couldn't get a hold of anyone at the office, so I left a message. This is italki, a teacher marketplace to find a real conversation with a native speaker, a professional teacher, or a conversation buddy. You can look for a specific type of lesson, set your price, the time of the lesson, and much more information about your teacher. There are so many teachers to choose from. Hey, that guy looks familiar. On each teacher profile, you can read more information about that person, including their qualifications and teaching style. Don't forget to check the reviews for each teacher to see if they're a match for you. And if you sign up on italki with the link in my description, you can get $10 after you book your first lesson. Do it quickly after you sign up because it's good for 48 hours. Sign up for italki today. Number 4, get in trouble with. Why does he look so worried? He got in trouble with his manager for missing the deadline. Definition: end up in a situation where you face criticism or punishment. Don't get into trouble with the law just because your friends are doing it. She got into trouble with her parents for coming home late. He kept getting into trouble with his teacher for talking in class. Number 5, get out of the way. Why did you jump back just now? A cyclist came out of nowhere. I had to get out of the way fast. Definition: move aside so that someone or something can pass. Get out of the way. There's a car coming. He stepped back to get out of the way of the moving crowd. The dog wouldn't get out of the way, so we had to walk around it. Number 6, Get the joke. Everyone was laughing, but I just stood there. You didn't get the joke? It was about something that happened last week. Definition: understand what makes something funny. I didn't get the joke the first time, but when he explained it, I laughed. The children didn't get the joke because it was too adult. You have to get the joke to appreciate how clever it really is. Number 7, get a shock. What happened when you opened the door? I got a shock. There were about 50 people inside waiting to surprise me. Definition: experience a sudden and unexpected surprise, often an unpleasant one. She got a shock when she saw the bill at the end of the meal. I got a real shock when I found out he'd been lying all along. You'll get a shock when you see how much the repairs are going to cost. Number 8, get rid of. This apartment looks so much bigger now. Yeah, we got rid of a lot of old furniture we didn't need anymore. Definition: remove or free yourself from something you no longer want. I finally got rid of all the clothes I hadn't worn in years. We need to get rid of this old computer. It's taking up too much space. How do you get rid of a habit that you've had for years? Number 9, get the impression. Did she seem happy about the news? Not really. I got the impression she was disappointed, even though she smiled. Definition: form a belief or opinion, often without being told directly. I get the impression he doesn't really want to be here. She got the impression that her colleagues didn't respect her work. Did you get the impression that something was wrong, or was it just me? Number 10, get back at. Are you still angry about what he said? Yes, and I'm planning to get back at him for it. Definition: do something to hurt or punish someone who has hurt you first. She got back at her sister by telling their parents what really happened. Don't try to get back at people who hurt you. It just makes things worse. He waited months to get back at his former business partner. Congratulations! You just learned 10 new expressions for the word get. You can find the PDF on my Patreon, and as always, if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, channel members, channel supporters, and private students and Patreon members. And see you in the next lesson.